First fish of the day, though. We'll take it. We will take it. Well, wait, see that one's about 12 inches, I bet. Yeah, actually 12 and almost, he's 12 and 3/4. Yeah. At least we got the skunk out the boat. I don't know what he is, but I got him. Holy shit, that's another big bass. Thought I turned the camera on. I love that sound. It's my, no, the sound of him pulling drag off the reel. He ain't as big as the last one, but still a nice fish. Still gonna get away. Oh, that is a nice one. Oh. Come on over here. Oh yeah. I will take that. I will take that. Probably 3 pounds, I'm guessing. No, I think the other one was bigger. Oh yeah, that other one was easily bigger. But that is still a very nice fish. And let's see what this sucker weight is. £2, 1 ounce. Nope. Pretty fish though. Look how he's kind of goldish, greenish. Back to the depths he goes. Got him too. Another bluegill. Little guy. No, bluegill. Not quite big enough to keep though.